If you've got questions, we've got answers. My name is Kemi and you're welcome to the Yellow Card FAQ series. Now, one of the great things that you can enjoy on Yellow Card is access to different great coins. You can trade coins like USDT, like XAUT, which is an asset backed by real gold, and PYUSD, which is paper stablecoin that allows you to transfer funds across the globe. Now for the newbies, here's how to get started on making your first trade on Yellow Card. Once you sign up or log into your Yellow Card account, make a deposit into your local currency wallet. Once you've done that, on the dashboard, tap Buy and select the coin that you would like to buy. Also enter the amount you'd like to buy as well. Review and confirm that the details are correct, then tap Confirm. And that's it. Your transaction will be completed instantly. Sign up or log in and start making your best money moves with Yellow Card today.